Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene and I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Today I have a little shopping haul and I went to Temu and I picked up 5 dresses that I want to share, plus size dresses. And anyway, so let's get to it. Okay friends, I do like to wear dresses a lot. So, and I have lost a lot of weight, so it's hard finding the right sizes for me. But anyway, fortunately, all these dresses fit me. A couple of them I'm not so sure about due to the length. One I think is a little short for me and one I think is too long for me. But anyway, I'm going to try, I'm going to share the dresses and then I'm going to show a picture. I'm actually going to try to show a picture of me in the dress. So haven't taken them yet, but I will and put it up in the video. So anyway, I'll also show a picture of it from Temu, what it looks like. The dresses rarely ever look in real life what they look like on the screen. I will say with Temu, the fabrics are different. They're kind of a polyester, silky type fabric, most of their dresses that I've been getting. And I actually like it because they're light and cool. And like I said, it's almost summer, it's spring, going on summer here in Arizona. I like to wear dresses. So the first one I do have on, this pink dress. Personally, I prefer solid colors, but some of these have prints. So I'm not so sure about that. But this one is just a little V-neck, short sleeve, just simple. It's got tiers. So I will... Anyway, that's the first one. And the next one up here, this one is, okay, so this one is red with white flowers. Now, the picture said it has a cute sleeve here, if you can see that sleeve. It actually is really cute on. I really like it, although I don't, like I said, I don't always wear prints. And this said in the picture, and it kind of looked a little more rose. It said it was rose color, which in my book, rose color is like a pinky mauve type color. This is definitely red, but the red with the white flowers is really cute. I can see it with some white sandals in the summer. So anyway, we'll show that on. It's a little bit shorter dress, and I like it. So there's the second one. And then the third one I'm grabbing here is, it was just kind of a tribal type looking dress. It's just black and white. And I worried it would be see-through, but it's not too bad. The top is just, I don't know, just has a cute, like kind of a cap sleeve. And then it's just got this, and then the stripes, the bottom, the stripes go down. So anyway, there's the third one. And the fourth one is, this one is the one that I think might be too long. It's a blue, it's just a blue, plain blue with a little kind of a, I don't know what you'd call it, just kind of like a texture on the fabric. So it's just another cap sleeve V-neck. And it's just long. It's very long. So I think it's cute on, except for the length. I used to like ankle length dresses, but it's just not my jam really anymore. So I'm trying to go shorter in my dresses now. I used to wear a little bit longer dresses. So anyway, we'll see if I keep that or not. It does fit. So I don't know. We'll see. Let me know when you see the pictures what you think. Others' opinions matter to me. So anyway, well, they do, but they don't. But your opinions will matter. So here's the last one, I guess it is. And this one is, it's another red, but it's kind of a burgundy. And I don't know what struck me about this. It has just a cute little, sleeve. And it's just, it's another kind of V-neck, but it has buttons. And then the bottom is like this. It's got flowers. And this one actually ended up being a little bit short on me. I'm not sure if I love this one either. So this is another one I might return. I mean, it does fit okay. It's just kind of a dark, like a burgundy type color with pink and white flowers. So anyway, and the bottom has this kind of a stripe thing look to it. So there's that. So that's it for, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dresses I shared. Pretty happy. I mean, when it comes to the clothes and shoes, I'm usually pretty happy with Temu. I am wearing Temu rings. I love these rings. I wear these all the time. And anyway, so there's that. These aren't Temu. This is Betsy Johnson, who I love. This little pink bow bracelet, and this one's my Kate Spade. I think I showed it in a haul recently. But anyway, so that's my jewelry, my earrings I got in my last video haul. I shared my spring haul on vacation. I got these earrings. Love them. They're really fun and they're lightweight. So I also mentioned in my last video my new haircut. This is it, 2 days old. I slept on it, put it in a ponytail or whatever, and it's still cute, and I'm loving it. It's just so light. Took about 3 inches off, and it feels so good. So if you're thinking about cutting your hair, go for it. It feels good. It's in right now to have the shoulder length hair, but anyway, I'm happy with that. So, okay, I chit-chat here, and let's see. I think I have one more item. Because, you know, I can't do a Temu haul without getting a pair of shoes. I just do. And I wear, in the summer and spring, I wear a lot of I just like slip-ons that are cute and comfy. I had no idea how these would be. But these are just a, what do you call them, a jute, kind of a jute look. Anyway, and they're really light. They're super light, and I have a feeling I'm going to love them. I've been happy with all the shoes I get from Temu. So anyway, there's that. So, and they probably would look cute with all my dresses. But anyway, I'll slip them on right now. So all the shoes I've gotten from them, okay, they fit perfect. They feel really good. I'm so excited. So anyway, a new pair of shoes, and these are going to stay on too, the way that I like them. So anyway, that's it. Short video. Tell me what you think. I appreciate you being here. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for liking my video and subscribing. And please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.